Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss regarding with the other graphic organizer that I have here four organizers which I will discuss today, or this is like a graphic aids that will the teachers uses for doing some works or activity works with their students. So let's start here with discussion web. Actually, guys, discussion web is a special kind of graphic aid for teaching students to look at both sides of an issue before drawing a conclusion. So this is like giving opinion opinions to the both side, whether it's a good or bad. You should provide you should provide a conclusion regarding with both sides, whether it's bad or good. And then also they help students to organize their thinking, examine and learn tolerance for other points of view, grow richer understanding from materials they read. So it means, guys, that upon making discussion web, students will be able to use their critical thinking to think or examine what will be the out the other meaning of that statement, or that a photo wherein they can just think and understand it very well or deeply in a way that they can provide some information in the other point of view. Then first thing to do when using discussion web, make sure to select a controversial document. It is very important since again, the goal of discussion web is to provide a viewpoint of each side or both sides. So by doing that, so it elicits clearly defined opposing viewpoints. Again, it defined opposing viewpoints. It's either bad or good. Or what will be the viewpoints that you will that you will be giving on the discussion web is like a comparison, I guess, because you will have to provide the good idea and the bad idea of that controversial issue, and ask the class to identify the main question of the text. Of course, it's very important so that you will know unsa inyong focusan ug hatag og um, viewpoints. And one consensus is reached, pose the question for quick reference. Then you may divide a class into small groups of 3 or 4 students so that they would be able to discuss the topic clearly. And then we have here bubble map. Bubble maps are used to describe a central idea or term at the center using adjectives in the bubbles that surround. From the word itself, bubble, so you will be creating a bubbles, showing or describing an idea regarding with the used topic. And then teachers can use this general organizer template for main ideas and details, pre-writing, word analysis, brain dumps, concept mapping, background knowledge collection, and more. So what will be the importance of using bubble map? Bubble maps are used to describe qualities associated with a specific item, person, idea, or event. They develop pupils' abilities to identify qualities, use descriptive words. In the center circle, write the word or thing being described. Write the adjectives or adjectival phrases in the outside circles. So it's like, for example, the text would be, or the issue would be, climate change. So on the center, you will just write climate change, and then on the outside there's a bubble that you will provide. There's a bubble. Then after that, you can just provide what is climate change, what are the effects, or what affects the climate change, and etc. So we also have here ladder web. It is a simple technique that uses prime numbers in visualization in the form of staggering lines in a way that it looks like a ladder. From the word again itself, ladder. So we will be making a ladder consisting of words. Most likely it is used using most likely the ladder web is used in math subjects to so that you can visualize other numbers that will be provided by the teacher. It also helps students understand math problems. This is what I've mentioned. This is used in math subjects for understanding math problems. It requires students to show their work, but helps them clearly see how they arrive at a given solution. Then fact starring, this is the last graphic organizer that I have here. And the last topic that I will be presenting today. So fact starring is a graphic organizer that is used to distinguish the facts, or an organizer used to determine whether that situation or statement is a fact or not. Fact, or it is like this is the graphic organizer that is used most likely if um used most likely with history subject or Araling Panlipunan, since we know that in Araling Panlipunan we are discussing, or we are actually staring facts for those histories that uh, that have been that happened before. So not just in history but also any controversial issues that needs to stared, that need a fact starring. So guys, that would be all the reports that we have, and thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.